For me, there's just one correct way to do content. Not like all the rest of the YouTubers or people who are in the public speaking about how to invest or how to do it. I'm showing you how I do it. And one day maybe it gets really funny because we look back to the first video and speak about it. But for me right now, it's like everything. I will show you how I did it. I'm not a finance expert or an investing expert. I just show you how I did it and do it. Show you the process, how it works, and you can do it too. And if you not want to do it, you can just watch my videos and support me. So I will directly start. You can see my Interactive Broker account, but for this account, it is not necessary. You can use any account of your choice, but I think this is one of the best, and it's just what I think. You can see I started with the Interactive Broker account around the 22nd of September in 2023. I started with a mistake where I did the wrong fees. So for my 50 US dollars, it took me like around almost $8, just around the fee costs. And you see how the steps are going up, and all the straight lines upwards are just like when I paid cash into it. I don't want to go as much into the detail because you can see there are some times where it goes up and sometimes where it goes a bit down. But at the end, I will invest around every month or every 2 months the amount that I can invest. So I don't have a fixed prices or a recurring event or something like that. I'm just investing when I can. And my goal is to reach $100,000, because if you have $100,000, it is faster to go to $1 million than 0 to 100,000. I have to really admit it is a hard process, but the discipline will pay off one day. I'm sure about that, and I can show you everything. So right now I'm around 4,600, and I show you how I invest and I show you my portfolio so you understand better what I'm doing. I don't want to go as much into the detail because it will take so much time, but I just show you 2 ETFs. The ETF is a fund where a lot of shares are inside of it. If you need more help with that, or if you need help with that, I can surely assist you in that case. And in the MSCI world, it is really strongly US based. That means like, I think 66 or 67% is just the US market, and then you have a little bit over the world. And emerging markets are countries like, for example, Brazil, Japan, or something like that. There I just invest around 30%. So I have the whole world in my portfolio. If the whole process goes down, I would say like the whole world is going down, but that is not the case. We are developing, for that reason, we are continually developing ourselves and build new stuffs, new products, and the world is going through. If you think about it, we have so much areas which we covered, for example, banking or the health industry or oil, or I don't know, you have everything inside of it. For that reason, if some area is not going good right now, another area, for example, technology, will create your wealth. Over the years, you will get around 7% of interest rate, and the 7% is sometimes a little bit higher in a year or sometimes a little bit lower in another year. You have to check it. But right now we have an all-time high in the whole market. So for that reason, I'm just investing in the ETFs. I have MSCI World, and I have 25 shares with around 110 is the market value right now. And in summary, it is 2,552. I've gained until now 200, and you can understand the compound will get very high if you invest much more money, and in the future you have a lot more. The second one that I want to show you is the emerging markets, where I have around 15.939. I don't know how to fix that, but it was a testing purpose at the beginning. If you test things, you will learn most of it by yourself, and you will learn a lot. I can tell you that you have to do it, otherwise it is too hard. And at the beginning you will do mistakes. It is 100% sure, and all the investors did as well, a lot of mistakes, but the most important thing is to learn from it. Yes, and here I have right now 50 something. We have to say right now it is almost everything on an all-time high. So I start to buy with the MSCI World, and you see how it works. And you, like I said, like it is on an all-time high. I will buy 3 of it. I can show you how I buy it. Here you have like the quantity. I don't want 100. It is, I think, standard. So I just want 3 with not a limit, because I know the price will be like almost the same in a couple of hours. I'm not scared that something happens if I click on market. You have here a lot of choices. I hope it's not that complicated. If you need help with that, I can help you for sure and do more videos about it. So I take the market. Day in force, I can let it with day. Yeah, it's fine. You can preview and see what you have, what you clicked on, and it is like this. And here you have the preview. If you see the preview is good, you can click submit. I hate these messages because Yes, I'm sure. Yes, I want to accept. And then your order has been filled in a day. So now I bought 3 of that. That was all. That is the whole process. That is the magic. You just buy and then it's over. The second one, what I want to buy is the emerging markets. And please help me, guys, if you get, wait, I go back. You know how to fix that? Please let me know, because I don't like uneven numbers. I like even numbers. And you see already it has gone through. I had 25 and now I have 28. So and from that, I will just buy 2. Again, there is 100. It is a little bit too much. I flat it with market and the day, because I don't want to change anything and I can look at preview. It looks for me fine. Submit order. Yeah, I click on don't show this message again and it will come anyways. Why I'm clicking on it, but I accept and your order has been filled. So let's check if I have it already. Yes. So now I don't have any buying power anymore, like almost nothing. But for me, it is like an investment in the future. You know, you're investing right now. You do that and you can invest as well in other stuff. But it is like you can take shares of a company, and if you have a lot of shares, company will probably be yours one day or something like that. And that is amazing if you think about it. This is for today's video what I did. And if you want to see my whole portfolio or something, let me know. I've gambled a little bit and I'm not a big fan of it. So for that reason, I will try to go the sure way, if there is a sure way. For me as well, I don't know how you feel. The same with rich. If I say define rich, everyone says something different, you know? And for me, it's like having 4,624 US dollar. It is a lot of cash, really a lot. And in that case, rich is as well how you define rich. If you have a roof over your head and food in your fridge, you should be happy about it. But that is a topic for another day probably. So guys, it is my first video. Please don't be that rude, but I just want to show you how I do it. And if you want to do it by yourself, you can do it. It's not advertising, but everyone has the choice. You don't have to invest like me around 400 in one step. You can invest $50, $100, how much you can, which it's not hurting you. It's not about how fast you're going. It is about how often you go and how you try to get better and better and do the steps regularly.